My name's Logan Gardner, and for my final paper, I wrote on the human microbiome. What is the microbiome? The microbiome is a collection of over 100 trillion microbes that live on our skin, in our cavities, and most importantly, in our large intestine. The microbes consist of valuable bacteria, fungi, protozoa, and viruses. The number of genes in the microbiome is 200 times more than the number of genes in the human genome, which is around 37 trillion. What is the microbe's function? These microbes are benevolent bacteria in the microbe. They help digest food, regulate our immune system, protect against invaders, and produce essential vitamins that we could not absorb through food alone. Here's some signs of a healthy microbiome. A healthy microbiome will show signs of a strong immune system, meaning you're not frequently sick, organ health, metabolic health, meaning you have effective digestion, lack of stomach pain after eating, healthy sleep schedule, and control over body weight, which meaning without intentional weight gaining or loss. How is a microbiome health determined? Each person's microbiome is altered by lifestyle, dietary choices, and who you share DNA with day to day. The healthier microbiome will determine your overall health. The signs of a healthy and unhealthy microbiome, which is associated with abundant biodiversity. Signs of an unhealthy gut: irritable bowel syndrome, frequent stomach pain, unintentional weight change, either gain or loss, insomnia, skin irritation including acne, eczema, autoimmune conditions, food allergies and intolerances, high sugar, fat, and simple carb diet. There are ways you can improve your gut health. Diet is the most influential factor of microbiome health. A poor diet of processed foods, sugar, will destroy your symbiotic relationship with the microbes and your intestines. Some of these beneficial foods are high fiber foods, such as beans, bananas, peas, berries, oats, asparagus, red meat, garlic and onions, fermented foods, and collagen-rich foods. Populations at risk. According to the National Institute of Health, up to 23.5 million Americans are currently suffering from an autoimmune disease, which is attributed to the standard American diet and the destruction of a healthy microbiome. Of this population, 3/4 are women below the age of 65 and of Hispanic, African American, or Native American descent. They aren't the only population at risk, but other populations that are at risk already have autoimmune disease, are experiencing some of the unhealthy gut symptoms, or are eating consistently a standard American diet of high fat, high sugar, and simple carb foods. These are some of the recent findings in the microbiome world. The degree of personalization of the microbiome is so high that they believe there might be a forensic application, being able to tell two people apart completely by the personalization of the microbiome. Even in identical twins, the microbiomes are no more similar than non-identical siblings. Meaning that they are similar, being that they are siblings, but they're not any more identical than two different age siblings would be. People who are physically contact regularly do have similar microbiomes than those who have a non-physical relationship. With someone that you share bacteria with by kissing frequently, your microbiome will be more similar to theirs than you would be to someone who you do not kiss frequently. And then farmers. They have a similar microbiome to other farmers around the world, but vastly different microbiomes than a city worker in the same state. Science believes this has to do with the exposures that they're dealt with every day, and being around livestock and animals does have an effect on the microbiome. Thank you very much.